Hello guys, it's me Zarif, and in my uncle's channel, so you know who that is Zarif Alam Syed, and this is the new Apple AirTag, and it released in April 30, 2021. And this device is used to track any belongings. For example, if you lost a backpack of yours, then you can track it on your iPhone. And you can find it easily. Guys, I'm about to unbox the new Apple AirTag. So, guys, watch me. I'm about to take this out. And you can see that there are some papers, but let's forget about them. And I'll open this, and you can see that the AirTag is inside here. So, I'm going to take this out. Here it goes. So you just have to take the slab off. So slab off. The battery will activate. Oops. Sorry about that. Oh, you see guys? It just made a sound. So alright guys, now we're about to set up the new Apple AirTag. So here we go. So I'm about to connect it on my dad's iPhone, so look at this. And that, name AirTag, backpack, bike, camera, handbag, headphones, jacket, keys, luggage. You have a lot of names, so on the AirTag, I'll name it like backpack. So I'll continue with that. So it's linked to my dad's iPhone, or the Apple ID. So AirTag is linked to your Apple ID. So AirTag is detected solely. Okay. All right, it's asking if I can use the same Apple ID. So I'll agree to this. So now it's setting it up. All right, now it says Badre's backpack. So actually it's my dad's backpack, but I don't know if he has a backpack, but actually I think he might have a backpack. So guys, you can see that now it found my dad's backpack. So yeah, now I'm gonna say it's done. So now it found my dad's backpack. So now I'm gonna view it in the app. Okay, I'll allow it while I'm using the app. Yes. Okay. Alright. So now, you can see it, and it's found, and you can play a sound. So let's see if my AirTag is waiting. So I hide my AirTag somewhere. So let's see if my iPhone picture Pro Max can find it. Let's see. Sound. I found it. Let's get back. Where is it? Here it is. So here's the Apple AirTag. And you see? Right here, it found it.